Experience the cutting-edge innovation of the iX Industrial Series by Hirose. A fusion of next-gen design and unparalleled efficiency tailored to meet the challenges of today and tomorrow. Some of the distinct advantages of the iX Industrial Series include it's compact yet powerful, using 75% less space than the conventional RJ45, freeing up room without compromising on performance. It's built to last. Its metal lock latches combined with through-hole mounting means it's ready for the rigors of industry. With excellent transmission, the iX series seamlessly supports Cat 5e and Cat 6a transmissions. It's very versatile, adapting for both Ethernet and non-Ethernet communications, fulfilling all your connection needs. Its 360-degree shield safeguards against external disruptions, ensuring top-notch transmission quality. Simply plug in for a secure connection, and when you're done, disconnect with a clear click. And finally, it's optimized for PCBs. The receptacle's through-hole design strengthens PCB mounting, making setup quicker. Whether it's serving the Ethernet demands of factory automation or powering state-of-the-art medical devices, the iX Industrial Series is the benchmark for dependable, premium connections. Stay ahead of the curve with the iX Industrial Series connector. For deeper insights, visit and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Hirose Electric, Connecting the Future.